In this video, I'm going to show you how to reconcile prepayments and overpayments in Xero during bank reconciliation. This is especially useful when you receive money from a customer without an invoice, or when you pay a supplier without a bill, or even pay too much by mistake. Let's walk through everything step by step. First, log into your Xero account and go to the bank reconciliation screen. From there, open the Reconcile tab. Here, you'll see a list of bank statement lines that need to be matched or recorded. Start by finding the transaction you want to reconcile. Let's look at a common scenario. A customer sends you money in advance before you've created an invoice. This is known as a prepayment. In this case, locate the bank statement line for that payment. On the right-hand side, under the Create tab, click Add Details. By default, Xero will treat this as a direct payment, but since this is an advance payment, click the drop-down and select Prepayment instead. Xero will automatically assign a reference number to this transaction, similar to an invoice number. Next, update the description to clearly explain what the payment is for. For example, you could write deposit in advance for October services. This makes it easier to track later. Now choose the correct account. Since prepayments often involve tax, select an account with the appropriate tax rate. A common option is something like revenue received in advance. Xero will automatically calculate any included tax based on your selection. Once everything looks good, click Save Transaction, then click OK or Reconcile to complete the process. Your prepayment will now appear in the Awaiting Payment section under Sales, ready to be applied to an invoice later when you create one. Now let's move on to the second scenario, overpayments. This happens when you accidentally pay a supplier more than the actual bill amount. In your bank reconciliation screen, find the payment transaction, then click on the Match tab to search for the existing bill. Locate the correct supplier and select the bill that matches part of the payment. If there's an extra amount left over after matching the bill, you'll need to record that difference as an overpayment. To do this, go to the second section of the reconciliation screen. Click on New Transaction, then select Spend Money. Again, Xero will default to a direct payment, so click the drop-down and choose Overpayment instead. Xero will automatically fill in key details like the account and tax settings. These are usually fixed, but you can update the description to explain the situation. For example, you might write Overpayment made an error, refund expected. This helps you keep a clear record of why the extra payment exists and ensures you can track the refund later. Once you've reviewed everything, click Save Transaction. Now that the total matches your bank statement line, click OK or Reconcile to finalize it. And that's it. To quickly recap, use prepayments when money is received or paid in advance for future work without an invoice or bill. Use overpayments when extra money is paid or received beyond what's owed. Understanding these two features will help you keep your accounts accurate and avoid confusion during reconciliation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps simplify your Xero workflow. See you in the next tutorial.